In this video, I will show you the exact steps required to download your invoice history logs directly from the Billing tab in your Typeform account. Whether you need these documents for tax purposes, internal accounting, or simply to keep track of your monthly expenses, the process is incredibly straightforward and only takes a few moments of your time. To get started, you will need to navigate to your organization settings located on the left-hand side of the interface. Once you are there, look the navigation sidebar and locate the option labeled Plan and Billing. Clicking this button will open up your subscription overview, where all your financial details are stored. After the page loads, you should see your current plan details and subscription status. From here, you will need to scroll down past your subscription details to find the specific section dedicated to your invoices on the main Canvas workspace. This area contains a chronological record of every payment transaction you have made with Typeform. Take a moment to look through the historical list and find the specific billing log entry that you currently need to save. Once you have identified the correct date or billing cycle, you will notice a download button right next to the entry. Simply click that download link, and your computer will immediately begin fetching the PDF file for your records. It is a very efficient way to manage your documentation without needing to contact support. You can repeat this process for any previous months if you happen to be missing multiple receipts. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your financial records are always up to date and easily accessible whenever you might need them for your business operations. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope this helps you manage your Typeform account more effectively today.